Hello everyone. Welcome to the e-learning module. I am Anshika Sharma from BCA Student of Management Education and Research Institute. Under Personality Development Skill, I will discuss on the topic the role of humor in relieving stress and enhancing well-being. Imagine you have just had a long, exhausting day. Your mind is buzzing with tasks, deadlines, and worries. You slump down on the couch, click on your favorite comedy show, and a few minutes later, you find yourself laughing uncontrollably. Suddenly, you feel lighter, the tension in your shoulder melts away, and for that brief moment, all your stress seems to vanish. What just happened? Well, you just discovered most powerful remedy for stress, humor. Today, I'm going to talk about something that we all enjoy and its powerful impact on our mental and physical well-being. In our fast-paced and often stressful world, we tend to overlook one of the most effective tools we have for improving our health, laughter. Humor isn't just a spontaneous reaction to something funny, it's a biological process that actually benefits our bodies. When we laugh, our brain releases endorphins, the same chemical that's released during exercise. These are your body's natural feel good hormones. Endorphins can elevate mood, reduce pain, and leave you with a euphoric, relaxed feeling. But wait, there's more. Laughter also reduces levels of cortisol, the notorious stress hormones that triggers your fight or flight response. So when we laugh, it's like hitting the reset button on our stressed out brains. Research by the Mayo Clinic shows that laughter can reduce cortisol levels by up to 39%. Now that's some powerful magic in action. Humor as a stress reliever, it's not just for jokes. Think about it. What's the first thing you turn to when life gets tough? Maybe it's watching a comedy, chatting with a friend, or telling a joke. You are not alone. People have been using humor to cope with stress for centuries, and studies back it up. For instance, a 2017 study in Psychology Today found that even watching 20 minutes of a funny video led to significant reductions in cortisol levels. That's right, just 20 minutes. So the next time you are feeling overwhelmed, maybe skip the urgent email and binge watch that funny cat video. Your brain will thank you. But here's the real twist. Humor isn't just for relaxation, it helps us navigate life's curveballs too. Think about comedians like Robin Williams or John Cleese. They didn't just make us laugh, they helped us process difficult emotions and navigate tough situations. Humor can serve as a coping mechanism, making challenges feel less intimidating. It allows us to take a step back, breathe, and regain perspective. Now, let's make this practical. Humor isn't just a great stress reliever at home, it works wonders in the workplace too. In fact, there is a compelling case of humor as a productivity booster. According to a study from the University of Maryland, humor in the workplace reduces stress, increases engagement, and improves job satisfaction. Take Google for example. This tech giant has mastered the art of using humor to enhance employee well-being, from quirky office design to a playful approach to team building activities. Google encourages its employees to take breaks, share a laugh, and step away from the grind. The result? Not just happier employees, but more innovative ones. Humor fosters creativity, making it easier for employees to problem solve and collaborate. Humor as a therapy. Let's take a step into a more serious realm, mental health. Humor isn't just about feeling good in the moment, it's been proven to help people manage depression, anxiety, and even chronic illnesses. A study published in the Journal of Humor Research found that individuals with a good sense of humor were less likely to suffer from anxiety and depression. But the real game changer is humor therapy. Take the case of cancer patients undergoing humor therapy. For instance, hospitals like the Cleveland Clinic incorporate humor therapy as a part of their treatment plans. Patients watching comedy or participating in laughter yoga report lower levels of stress, less pain, and a better overall outlook on life. This type of therapy isn't just a distraction, it's a scientifically backed approach to improving quality of life. So, how can we use humor in our daily lives? Now that we have seen the benefits, how do we incorporate more humor into our routines? It's simple. Here are few tips. Laugh with others. Spend time with people who make you laugh. Laughter is contagious and social connections are a big part of overall well-being. Find humor in everyday situations. Look for the funny side of the challenges. Is your morning coffee spilling all over your shirt? It's annoying, sure. But can you laugh about it? Watch a comedy. Take breaks to watch something funny. It's a small investment for a huge return in relaxation and stress relief. Embrace playfulness. Whether it's tough games, jokes, or spontaneous dance moves, let yourself be a little silly every now and then. Your body will thank you. Conclusion. So, the next time life feels overwhelming, remember this: humor is a secret weapon for stress relief. It doesn't just lighten the mood, it has real measurable benefits for your mental and physical well being. Whether you are tackling a tough day at work, coping with personal challenges, or simply looking for a way to boost your mood, humor is there, ready to help. As we wrap up, I encourage you all to embrace the power of laughter. Share a joke, watch a comedy, or find the humor in life's little mishap. Because, as we all know, laughter really is the best medicine. Thank you and happy learning.